This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so uh, we are discussing about the second page, right? So if you want to go to the second page with the same project what I have showed you, that may not be work. Why? Because it has to pass this logic called what there is a comparison logics are here, right? Here comparison logics are there, right? In button click. So just bring this page. If you want to go forward, just bring this push page. Okay, bring this push page to on clicked button event. Then you're going to call the second page. Actually you can call the second page actually. Okay, so there is a method called push page in the stack.kml or in main.kml. So from there you can push your page or you can pop your page. Okay, so now it is going to be an items page. Based upon that item, last thing what we have discussed is how this page is going to work, and how your mouse area is going to be working, and on overhead change is going to be working. We have seen there, right? That is what we have seen, right? Till now, till here I think everyone is clear in this QML thing. Okay, uh, so if you're practicing anything, you're getting or not getting anything, means let me know. We will discuss the same topic again on the another class, on the next class. uh, okay, so now coming to this page, once you have selected some drink or anything else, we are going to start the timers here to display the text, and that is going to be again the text is going to be disappear. We are using the timers here. Okay, so this also we have discussed in the previous class. Okay, so timers on triggered means this is the timer we are going to trigger only once when it is going to be started. Okay, when this is going to be started, that is going to be that is going to be triggered only once. Okay, if you keep an interval, then for every timeout, this is going to be on triggered is going to be called continuously. Okay, like your q timer, you are going to be using the rate and connect signal. In the same way, this is going to be used. Okay, so now coming to this item page. Let us run. Let us run. There is a set display message. Okay. Okay, so if you click on this dollar symbol, if you click on this dollar symbol, you are going to take into other page, and there is a thing called again we are going to display the drinks. What are the available drinks here? We are going to display the number of counts, small, medium, large, small, medium, large, and in Coca Cola, what is the large count and what is the small count, and one is the medium count. Okay, so here we are going to here we are going to display all these things. Okay, so when coming to this daily count, so this is going to be separate. We have to maintain, this is the in separate account. Okay, so basically we are going to when we click on this button, so when we click on this dollar button, we are going to pushing to another page called items count. You can see here, uh, edit daily count, sorry, daily count, and edit each item, edit so for to check it we have to go to items home. So when we click on this dollar symbol, we are going to view this one list view. In this list view there is a delegate. In this delegate, based upon the second case edit mode, that is this is the counter mode. Counter mode is going to be called over there. Counter mode is nothing but here we are going to get this page is going to be, we are going to display this page here. Okay, in this page also you can see here, first of all we are going to take the rectangle. So in that rectangle we are going to identify and we are going to set all these things. Okay, so we are going to set all those things. If you're we first of all we are while designing your page, first of all while you're designing page, we have to know the what is the layout of your project. First of all we have to know the layout of that page. Okay, so first of all we have to know the layout of this page. Okay, so total header will be there, footer will be there. In footer there is a two buttons are there, back button and save button is there, and in between there we have to in a column, this is a column, right? In a column and in each row we have to display the data. Okay, so in a column, this is the Coca-Cola thumbs up Sprite font is the right, this is the column. In this column, in each column there will be a row again. Okay, there will be a row again. Okay, so this is how we are going to be designed this page. We can see here, this is the dialog box and this is the component. Okay, now this is the column. In this column, first there is a column and there is a row here. Okay, so that is what that is this is how uh, we have to fix. First of all it should be taken column or row means, first of all we have to know the what is the output of your screen. First of all we have to know the output of the screen, then only we are able to identify how to design this project and how to design your page. All these things can be we can write how we can write all those things actually. Okay, without knowing this UI interface how it's going to be look like, then we can't start actually. We can't start any QML page here. QML pages or widgets page we can't start actually. Okay, why? Because we should know the layouts, whether we have to take the column or we have to take the row or only single rectangle we have to show. All these things are going to be depending upon the UI what we are going to get. UI requirement what we are going to get. Okay, so now what I'm going to how this is page is looking like. So first of all there will be a header section will be there and there is a footer section will be there. Okay, so in between area we have to cover all these things. Okay, so this for this the UI requirement is going to be like looks like this. So that's why I have taken a column. In a column I have taken a row. In a column I have taken a row. You can see here column. First of all I have taken the header, then I have taken the item which is used to display the remaining body, and this is the rectangle is going to be used to show my bottom. Okay, so first of all header, in between body and your footer and your footer. Okay, these three things is going to be we are going to be written in your column. In a column we are going to be returning in a row again. In this between of row we are going to display all those things you can see here. Okay, so this is how we have to this is how we are going to fix all those things. Okay, so without knowing your UI screen, just don't start any QML page. Just don't start any QML page. Okay, So if you are doing multiple pages or anything or else anything else, this is the flow we are going to use. This is the only flow we are going to use. Okay, the same column rows will be there, and text editor means text editor will be there. And if you are using have list of elements, list view will be there. In list of view, in list we are going to identify list element, list model view. In this list model view there will be a list element. In that list element we are going to set a key value and key and value, and so on we are going to set those data. Okay, so this is how maximum your project is going to be looks like. Okay, so if you are having any doubts regarding how we are going to coming from one page to another page, there will be a stack page will be there. First of all we have to write the stack page. Okay, so in the stack page, in the stack we are going to return in main.qml. In the application window we are going to set this stack view. In the application window we are going to set the stack view. Okay, so what this stack view is going to do here, what this stack view is going to do here, we are writing a push page here, and we are going to write a push page. Okay, so based upon this push page we are able to push the from one page to another page. We are going to push data from one page to another page. Okay, so whenever we are going to click on this any UI button or anything else, anywhere in this program, so you can see, you can search here. Not main dot. Push page, you can see here in every page there will be only push page. We are going to call from one qml page to another qml page. This is the function we are going to call. So you can see here, everywhere we are going to use the push page to come from one path to another path. Okay, one page to another page, sorry, not the path, but from one page to another page we are going to we have to do something over here. Means there is only option called push page. We have written in your qml page, qml main.qml. In that main.qml we have implemented this stack. By using the stack we are going to push the data. By using that stack we are going to push the data. Got it? Have any doubts you can ask me. Okay, so other else we are going to move to the I think almost all topics are covered, but we have to one more topic, two more topics I'm going to show you is qt charts. We have to deal with the qt charts. Okay, so how to read data from the c++ and how we are going to push data to your qml. Okay, from cpp to qml. What we have done, what till now what we have seen here is c++ to, sorry, qml to c++. Okay, till now what we have seen here is c++ to, so qml to c++, what seen, we have seen that. Okay, so from c++ to qml, by using signals and slot mechanism, how to push we will see. Okay, when I'm going to explain you about charts and graphs, how to deal with the graphs and charts, we are going to see over there. Okay, so till now if you have any doubts regarding how to call your qml from qml, how to call the cpp functions, if you have any doubts you can ask me. So have you implemented these things by calling from QML to C++ thing? Anyone have implemented those call? Have anyone implemented those call? No one implemented those calls. I think anyone, if you can respond to us so that we can take for the next step. If no one is not responding, I hope everyone has done this exercise. So you have not yet, you still, if anyone is not yet implemented, just please open your laptops and can you implement it? Can we now? Can anyone is preparing for execution of this part? If anyone is going to try that. So, can I tell to Malikan sir that everyone has done with QML? Okay, then no one is not responding to me. Okay, then I'm going to upload this video right now itself and I'm going to share you. If anyone can try, if you can try it or you can leave it, you can leave it. It's up to you.